say period frequency is monthly. How many periods will get? 12 periods. And we decided to go with one adjustment period at the year ending. You can have multiple adjustment periods. So it's one of the important question in the interviews. Whenever we are creating accounting calendar, can we define multiple adjustment periods? Yes, we can define. I would like to have more than 4 or 5, depends, custom requirements. Generally, system will allow us to configure adjustment period once at year end, twice at year end, other quarterly, none. Without adjustment period also we can manage accounting period, and mid-year and twice at year end, mid-year and once at year end, once at beginning of the year and once at end of the year we can have adjustment period. So if at all you have some different requirement, what you can do is you can go with other. You can go with other. So when you choose other, it will allow you to define number of adjustment periods. This is the question in the interviews. Generally, when we are creating accounting calendar, every company will go with one adjustment period end of the year. But client wants to have custom number of periods. So number of adjustment periods are different they wanted to have. So then what we will do is, so we'll go ahead with this options here. Okay, so these are the different options. If you have different requirement, we have to use other option. So this is what they will expect in the interviews. Others is used to define number of adjustment periods to configure in accounting calendar other than the options which are available here. Other than the options which are available here. Okay, we can also configure without adjustment period also. We can configure accounting calendar, but generally it is required. Generally it is required. So I'm going to say that once at year end, that's adjustment period is required. Then this is period name format. When we say 12 periods are going to be generated plus another one, 13 periods are going to be generated. For every period, I would like to have some name. What is the format you would like to follow for this name? 13 periods means we require 13 names. So the moment when I see the period name, I should understand, okay, this comes under January period like that, right? So I'm just selecting that user defined prefix for the period name as info, separator as so and so option hyphen, and format. This is what we required. I can see that first period here. First period is option we have here. It is info Jan hyphen 23, info February hyphen 23, info March hyphen 23. Like that we can find the periods over here. First period name, second period name, like that. Okay. So this is how the question comes regarding the adjustment periods in the interviews. This we have to be very careful. Okay. Thank you. Now click next button. System is showing that period details here, and go down here. I can see that 12 periods, period number, which quarter? First quarter, 3 periods, second quarter, 3 periods, third quarter, 3 periods, fourth quarter, 3 periods, and another one. This is what adjustment period. This is what adjustment period. You can see that adjustment period name is different. Info November, October, November, December. See info 13, because same name cannot be maintained, right? Info 13 December 23. So this 13 number comes additionally for this particular period, and the year and the period number, start date and end date of this particular adjustment period, and this checkbox will be enabled. Okay, so this is about the accounting calendar configuration as well as the entry questions here.